Chapter 46 Vampires. Following the VR crisis, the threat of extinction lingers due to severe food and water shortages impacting the majority of the world's population, resulting in a high daily mortality rate as the world's productivity ground to a complete halt. Not only that, transmittable diseases emerge and spread among human communities as well, due to the lack of clean water and the piling dead bodies of those who fall victim to the new crisis, which once again makes many question whether there is still any hope left for the human species. To salvage the situation, a group of medical researchers and doctors initiate an emergency research program to find a solution to make humans biologically more resilient to harsh environments where food and water are scarce and where bacteria and viruses have high transmissibility and mortality rates. Leveraging a vast database of genetic mutations and alien DNA compiled since the USC days, researchers swiftly develop a vaccine through blood transfusion technologies, promoting prolonged red blood cell survival and reducing resource dependency. Due to the urgency of the situation, the vaccine is rapidly deployed across the population after a few initial tests in what is deemed humanity's last hope to rebuild itself during a prolonged duration of near-zero resources, which quickly helps the vast majority of those receiving it develop several perks including enhanced muscle strength, speed, dexterity, stamina, resistance to hunger and thirst, heightened senses, and much sharper perception than an average human. Initially, the newly acquired benefits revolutionize the way individuals and teams operate, enhancing efficiency and productivity across various sectors such as agriculture, construction, scientific research, and military advancements, painting a picture of a prosperous society long envisioned by humanity. But the euphoria is short-lived as a dark turn unfolds in late 2269, when recipients of this so-called blood fortification vaccine start exhibiting a disturbing craving for fresh human blood, resorting to biting into their veins to quench their thirst, reminiscent of vampires from folklore. What begins as isolated incidents quickly escalates into a widespread epidemic as thousands transform into bloodthirsty killers with enhanced abilities, posing a grave threat to human existence that conventional weapons are ill-equipped to combat. Clouded in regret and an overwhelming sense of guilt, the same team who created these vampires band together again and work tirelessly to correct their mistakes, this time to build a set of vampire killer kits using dermal technologies, each of which includes a skin suit made of tungsten fiber that cannot be penetrated by the vampire's fangs and has a body fluid extraction system that allows it to instantly draw blood out of their bodies upon contact, thus suffocating them like humans without air. As time is running out, the research team makes only 63 of those kits before deciding to move on to the action phase before it is too late, where 63 elite members among law enforcers, military personnel, firefighters, and field medics are equipped with them and become a strike team to hunt down the vampires and put an end to their bloodthirsty madness. Unable to cause any damage to the strike team who are protected by the impenetrable skin suits and easily incapacitated by having their blood depleted in seconds after each engagement against the heavily protected strike team, the once mighty army of vampires are quickly wiped out like pests in less than 6 months, restoring peace to our world by the fall of 2270.